पता चल रहा है ना कि मैं काफ़ी घरेलू बन चुकी हूँ। Hello, namaste and welcome back to my channel. My name is Basti, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel down below. And काफ़ी सालों बाद welcome to an Amazon haul on my channel. I think ये मैंने बहुत सालों से नहीं किया है. Not because मैं Amazon से shopping कम कर दी है, वो तो increase ही हो गई है, but I think I was just not doing hauls in general. But recently Amazon पे great summer sale चल रही थी and I think I got some amazing deals. I think I picked up around 10 items and the total bill of this was less than 3,000 or 3,000 something, which I think was an amazing deal. I got some really good offers this time. तो that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So mostly जितने items हैं सारे बहुत ही घरेलू, household and kitchen items हैं because मुझे उसी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी. I didn't need a lot of personal and self-care items, so that's what I've picked up. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first and foremost thing that I picked up and जिसके चक्कर से मुझे पता चला कि सेल चल रही है is this book called Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. So Viktor Frankl is a psychologist and I was reading this another book, maybe you should talk to someone, and उसमें there was like a mention and a reference to Viktor Frankl and this book, and I thought it was really interesting, so I picked this up. The second thing I picked up जिसके वजह से मुझे और deals के बारे में पता चला is the handy dandy, the pigeon chopper. I think if you live alone या आजकल तो even if you don't live alone, don't like chopping, I think this is a life savior. And ये इसके बारे में सबको पता है. It's a very easy chopper जिसको ऐसे टान के रस्सी से टान के सब्जियाँ बहुत easily chop हो जाती हैं. मेरे पास पहले भी ये एक था but उसकी जो रस्सी थी वो टूट गई थी, so I needed one and I think I got this at for ₹65. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस आई डोंट नो बट ये मुझे 65 रुपीज़ में मिल रहा था, जिसके बाद ही आई वाज लाइक ओके आई नीड टू सी व्हाट एल्स इज देयर. या सो बिकॉज आई गॉट एन अमेजिंग डील ऑन दिस, सो लव दिस. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई पिक्ड अप इज अ लाइटर, गैस जलाने के लिए टक टक वाला लाइटर, बिकॉज मेरे पास ना वो फ्लेम वाला लाइटर है जिसकी गैस खत्म हो गई है और मुझे उसका रिफिल मिल नहीं रहा है. So I just picked this up घर के लिए. I think it's really cool, really cute, black color का, aesthetic सा भी है and it looks really nice. Again very good deal, बहुत ही सस्ते में मिल गया था. Next, actually I think kitchen items खत्म कर लेते हैं, then we'll move on to the other things. So the next kitchen item that I've picked up is this beautiful kettle from Borosil. Again I got a really good deal at this. तो मुझे in general ना kettles बहुत पसंद है because I am a चाय person and I love केटल में चाय छानना एंड देन सर्व करना. आई डोंट लाइक वो कप में करना, बट यहाँ पे कोई केटल थी नहीं मेरे पास एंड आई डोंट ड्रिंक चाय वेरी ऑफन नाउ डेज, बट माई पेरेंट्स आर सून कमिंग एंड आई थॉट इट बी नाइस कि उनके आने के प्रिपरेशन में मैं ये रेडी रखूँ. तो आई जस्ट गॉट दिस, बट आई थिंक ये थोड़ा लूज है, तो आई थिंक आई जस्ट क्यूट, वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट, इससे ज़्यादा बड़ा की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है एंड that's what she said. Next kitchen item that we have is बहुत ही रैंडम एस चीज़ है बट मसलिन क्लॉथ, बिकॉज हम कई बार सोचते हैं घर में कि हमें दही निकालना है, हंकर्ड बनानी है, इडली के लिए भी चाहिए होता है एंड वी ट्राइड फाइंडिंग इट लोकली और हमें मिल ही नहीं रहा था कहीं पे, तो आई जस्ट एंडेड अप ऑर्डरिंग लाइक 1 meter or something of muslin cloth. This I absolutely loved and again I got a very good deal for this. Are these set of 3 kitchen knives. इस पे ना डिज़ाइन बनी हुई है एंड इट्स वेरी क्यूट एंड वेरी एस्थेटिक. वन इज़ लाइक दिस ब्रेड नाइफ काइंड ऑफ, जो फ्लैट सी नाइफ होती है, एक वो है, एक नॉर्मल आपकी जो किचन नाइफ होती है वो है. इसका मैं ये हटा के दिखाती हूँ. यस, सी इट हैज़ दीज पैटर्न्स एंड लुक्स रियली क्यूट. So yeah, this is like a proper knife. And the third, which I absolutely love, इसको I think butcher's knife बोलते हैं, but obviously since मतलब मेरे घर पे तो नॉनवेज का कोई काम नहीं है, but for chopping and खच करने के लिए I love this. I think that's it for my kitchen items. I don't think और कुछ है. So I have a desk here and there are a few things that I really needed it. The first and foremost that I've gotten is a very classic a wireless mouse. I think this has a purple accent. ये मैं जब खोलूँगी तो I'll attach that photo here when I'll connect it on. So I needed a wireless mouse because I do have a wired mouse, but since I have been going to office also, so I think a wireless mouse I needed. So this is very sleek and compact and easy to carry, so I just got this. The next thing that I got for my work desk is actually I'm very excited to set this up. is these tack board. Okay, so ये basically वो cork board जो होता है ना जिसपे ऐसे notice and all चिपकाते हैं. It is that material with a bunch of pins, and you can. So basically these are like tiles of this material, and I can use this and I can stick things here. So I have a habit of scribbling and keeping post-its and notes मैं चिपकाती रहती हूँ मेरे desk पे. So I really wanted this. And the third and the final thing that I got for my work desk, which I absolutely loved and I'm so excited about, is a lamp. So I had one lamp जो मैंने बंजारा से खरीदा था, which for like 200 rupees. It was so beautiful, so aesthetic. But वो obviously चलना बंद कर दिया है, plus it's बंजारा का, तो you understand. वो चलना बंद कर दिया था, and I needed a lamp because शाम को obviously late हो जाता है, and then I need some lighting there because I don't have a direct light on top of my desk. And जो एक light है that's a white light, and I am a very anti white light person, guys. तो I have gotten this very cute lamp. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I have a bulb also, I think, जो इसमें लग जाएगा, so I'll just try it out. But it is so cute, so aesthetic. ये थोड़ा pricey था, I think. Out of the whole thing ये अकेला ही I think 1000 के आसपास का तो था ही. And इसके अलावा I just have two things in the personal care section जो ऐसे दिखाओ नहीं दिखाओ, it's the same thing. But one is a fashion tape that you can just stick on your clothes and on your body to make sure that clothes stay in place. So one is that. The other thing that I got are nipple pasties, again because that's something you just need. Like, it comes in this one little box. Very typical nipple pasties. I think that's about it. This was my cute little Amazon haul, and as you can see, maximum items बहुत ही घरेलू, बहुत ही kitchen items और ये सब काम वाले items थे. But I think I absolutely loved shopping, and मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई थी because I think we got really good deals this time. All the links will be down in the description box below. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ अच्छा लगता है, you can always shop from them. The links that will be down below are affiliate links, so if you purchase through them, I might get a small percentage of a commission. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you have any thoughts. Yeah, kuch bhi. And I will see you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves. Bye.